Yo, how's it going, guys? Another day, another video. Well, probably another week. Sorry, I have a life. I should have done this a month ago, as you could tell by the, or months, as you can tell by the title of the video. But I finally did it. Remember on last video that I did my driver's side window lift motor. Well, I didn't necessarily have to do that one. That one worked. But according to my first video, I did my passenger one, and that's the one that had issues. The driver's side started having issues, but either way, that's not the point. The point is, I finally did it. So, boom. Remember I was having issues with the passenger side? Well, boom. It now works. Everything's good. Driver's side. Boom. Everything's good. And then this doesn't come out now. It's pretty much brand new. Sure you guys can see that. But yeah, so did all that because the other vent anyways was the only vent I'd be freaking going, and I would stop at a stop sign or a red light, and I'd freaking, if I was gonna try to do a pull or something, my whole vent would just pop out. So it was missing the clips, so I got new clips. Actually pulled that vent for like $5, so that was cool. But yeah, so now everything in my car works as it should. Next thing I have to do is pull out the rear interior, which you've already seen that I've got some of it out. But I have to do it because I have a major dent. Yeah, it's so bad. So with all that being said, I finally did the little things that I should have done months ago. I've had the parts, I just haven't done them. But I also got some good news, because this is basically a little update video since I didn't show you guys how to do anything. But I picked up some stuff. If you go on my Instagram, same thing, K9Cat. For those subscribers or non-subscribers that need to subscribe and haven't gone and followed me on Instagram, go do that, because you'll notice that I picked up, booyah, got a full Z6 block. I think the guy said something about like his dad just had a drop valve or something. It was just something stupid or whatever, but I'm going to be rebuilding the whole thing anyways. So full Z6, and then I have a Y8 head inside that I'm going to be building. So that's content for you guys. And then, if you go on my Instagram, I have a full disc brake conversion that I'm going to do. I'm not going to do like one of those little aftermarket brake conversions that have the little plates. No, I have a full OEM, SI, everything. So it'll turn my DX hatch into brake system into a full 2000 Civic SI brake system, and it's gorgeous. I got drilled and slotted rotors. I have drilled and slotted rotors, and then I have powder coated red calipers, steel braided brake lines, the works. I gotta go to the machine shop, get some other stuff done, and then get the trailing arms and the front knuckles, because I'm going bigger brakes on the front, powder coated. So stay tuned for that. Right now though, since you guys are here, I'm just gonna pull the head off the Z6 because I don't need that, and probably gonna clean it up, probably sell it. I don't know. So we'll figure out. All right. Also got the new valve cover, or other valve cover, because I have some other ones, but I'm going to be collecting them, and this is one of the ones I was missing. So 10 mil Obviously, you guys know this. Just pull off the valve cover. Say what's up to the vlog.
I got you something.
After pulling the head bolts off, I couldn't lift it up, and I was wondering why. And then I saw this thing. I think this was for like what, power steering and stuff. I'm not sure, but yeah, I have to remove it because it's obviously built into the head. So I'm gonna take this off. I think it's this bolt, and this one right here. Oh, and then one right here. So that should be it, and then it should be able to come off.
Give it.
You're a shitty cameraman. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It should pull right off.
Should
There we go. Haha. Oh, those are awful. That's a brand new gasket.
Hey. Look at that though. That's what matters, right?
Yep. Well, I mean, no, this is what matters actually. Rebuilding that. What?
Stink.
Why does everybody say that? I can't spell it ever.
Really?
No.
Because you can't breathe.
Stink.
It's not actually. It's kind of. It's falling apart.
It's just one clean gasket.
Yeah.
I don't see how you can't smell that. Gross.
I don't smell it either.
Oh yeah. I
Well,
smell
your
carbon
face is
buildup,
being
but-
stuffed right now. How are you supposed to smell it?
So good.
Alright, so that's that. We're gonna. Really? Oh, that's kind of weird, actually. I can't look at you do that. I got so used to doing it for myself. But yeah, gonna rebuild that. No, I can't.
Come on, man!
That's weird.
Here, you take it in.
So yeah, there we go. It's messed up. That's a lot of carbon buildup. It's all gonna be remade, done everything. Everything else looks pretty good. Walls look good, no cracks, no nothing. But yep, should be good to go. I'm gonna be rebuilding it. I don't know what parts for yet for the block, but I know my white head. We just pulled off the Z6 head. I have an extra one in the inside. But yeah, the white head that I have, I've already gotten it down all the way down bare. Going to be sent to the machine shop, poured and polished, the works cleaned up, and you'll get to see what's in that in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. This year's going to be good. Last year was awful. I started late and didn't keep up with anything. So if you want to figure out what's going on with the hatch, what's up? You're weird.
How am I weird?
I don't know. You're just weird. Yours is there.
Yeah, thanks.
Is he there? Just there. Comment in the section below. Good. Why are you saying? Look at this dude. Hold on. I don't know if I can switch it. Oh, I can't even zoom in. Creeper. So yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. You know what to do. Laters.